Hey there. My name is Megan Fry, and I have a disability called cerebral palsy that led me to be in a wheelchair and nonverbal. I use a computer with eye tracking technology to communicate. When I was 3 years old, my world revolved around therapy appointments. Physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy. That was my entire schedule. Then my doctor suggested equine-assisted therapy. My mom was unsure about it, but we decided to give it a try. On my very first day at SIRE Therapeutic Horsemanship, I could not even sit up on my own. The volunteers laid me across a giant horse while my mom watched nervously. I turned my head, looked at her, and gave her the biggest smile. In that moment, everything changed. Riding was no longer just therapy. It became joy, freedom, independence, and confidence. It gave me a place where I did not feel limited by my disability. Horses helped me grow stronger, both physically and emotionally. SIRE became so much more than a therapy program. When I was growing up, other kids had special activities like soccer, football, basketball, dance, or cheerleading. Horseback riding was mine. I cannot sit up independently in a chair, but I can certainly ride a horse. It was where I built confidence, challenged myself, and discovered who I was. It was the place where I felt like I belonged. Right now, I am unable to ride because the lift that helps riders like me safely get onto the horse is broken. Without it, I cannot mount my horse, and many other riders cannot ride either. That has been heartbreaking. This fundraiser is helping repair the lift, helping find the right horse for me to ride again, and helping renovate transportation for my favorite mini horses. But this is not only about me. There are so many other riders like me. Kids, teens, and adults with disabilities who find confidence, freedom, connection, and happiness through these horses every single week. Every donation helps bring riders back into the saddle. On August 8th, I am hosting my own fundraiser at Duke's, my favorite place, with country music, food, games, raffles, a mechanical bull, and my original artwork. I would love for you to join me and help make sure SIRE can continue changing lives, just like it changed mine. Down below is the link to donate. Every gift makes a difference.